Well, good morning. What's occurring, as you would say? Heading off for the weekend up to Dare Valley with the South Wales Caravan and Motorhome. I'm on my Todd. Rian, she's meeting me there. So it was supposed to be a nice chilled morning. I had MOT for the motorhome at 9:30 and van wouldn't start, flat battery. So that's been on charge. Cancelled the MOT, rescheduled it. Then the doctor surgery phoning me. I had to go down there for bits and bobs, so it's been a bit of a mad dash. Came back now, the van has just started, so ready to go basically, but the sat nav just fell off the windscreen. The bracket broke. I tried to put it back and I dropped a screw down the front. I had to go searching for a screw. Just one thing after the other. So let's hope I can find this place. Adios, see you soon. Ta-da.
Oh, what's occurring?
And welcome to Dare Valley Caravan Park, just outside Aberdare in South Wales.
Yeah, a bit of a disaster when we got here yesterday, but stay tuned and we'll see you now in a minute.
Right, straight where you are, yeah?
Yes.
Straight there.
Anywhere we are, number 7.
Am I straight? Am I straight? Yeah, don't worry, we'll sort it. We'll get something sorted.
Right, we'll see if this works then. Unfortunately, it's hard standing here, but the van is so long, the hard standing stopped and we are in a bit of a ditch. So David's used the levelling system, got the jacks up, and now when the jacks go up, hopefully we'll be able to reverse out. Be great if this works, because this week has just been an absolute nightmare. No, I know. What Dave's on about is usually you can't put the jacks up if the engine's going. I'll have to do it again now, a bit more and we should be done. There we go. And that's what we were left with. The weather's glorious, but the ground is still very soft. Wherever David and I go, we try to get a hard standing, which this is.
But as you've just seen, when we drove in, because the hard standing is slightly covered with moss and things, we went over the edge of it and sank. So, as you've just seen, we did manage to get up thanks to the hydraulic levelling system. Got different usages. It's early. So, but we're back on a different pitch, which is lovely. All sorted. No problems now.
We just shouldn't have driven on it, should we? We should have reversed it.
Should have reversed, but
there we go.
Yeah. It's just Rian likes face the rear line outwards so we can see everybody, because she's nosy.
Yeah, I am nosy.
You know what I mean? So, but well, it's another story.
But yeah, it was great, but we wouldn't have been able to do it even with the levelling system if you hadn't did what you did with it.
Yeah.
Which was, but you, before, when we had the levelling system, once you turned the engine off, it automatically went up, didn't it?
Or when you turn the engine on, they automatically go up. So I took that little link out so you can keep the engine running and use the hydraulic levelling system. The Marvey system, some of the other systems I'm sure do it, but the Marvey system doesn't. As soon as the engine goes, the legs come up as a safety precaution.
Which is fantastic.
But we've also still got the safety precaution of that if we release the handbrake when the engine is running, the legs will come up. So it's still safe. Not that you're going to drive off with the legs in the air, because you won't be able to drive anywhere.
No.
So, but yes, otherwise the battery goes flat. The system uses so much power, and we've got a dodgy vehicle battery anyway. Supposed to go for MOT yesterday morning. Jumped in the van to take it down. Flat battery. Lovely. So rearranged that, put the battery on charge so we could get away for the weekend, and ordered a new vehicle battery which they'll put in next week when it goes for the MOT. So happy days there.
Yeah, so that's all sorted. We got you on the pitch. But before that we had a problem, didn't we?
There's always a problem when you're involved, love.
We've never been to this site before, and...
Oh yes, but first we are with the South Wales Centre of the Caravan and Motorhome Club on a rally here.
Yes.
As you can see behind us, we've all pulled up, everyone's enjoying.
Liz Owen is the marshal in here, and she was brilliant yesterday getting to us to our pitch. I don't know how many units a year. I think it looks about 15, 20, something like that. So
they got half the site here is for the rally and half is just general public. So it's quite busy though.
Yeah.
Lovely site, first time here, isn't it? But following from the rally announcement on the webpage, they give you a postcode to get to. So Rian came straight here.
I needed to do some shopping and an appointment somewhere, so I came up in the car because it's only an hour of road now.
Yeah.
And David came in the van because he was doing the MOT yesterday morning.
And had to go to the doctors last weekend, blah blah blah. So
anyway, so I came up in the car and
followed the postcode.
Followed the postcode, and it was not going to
in some other car park in the middle of Aberdare.
Yeah, and not only that, it was through an estate. It was tight for me in the car. And I was just thinking to myself, oh my God, what's it going to be like in the van?
So she phoned me, I had to pull over, check it out, and Rian sent me the 3 words of the place itself, and then there was no problems getting in. Otherwise, I think I'd be holding the old Aberdare.
So we spoke to a few people who've never been here before, and they had the similar...
Yeah, they all went the wrong place.
Story as well.
We'll put the what 3 words here now.
Yeah.
And that is how to get here. But it is beautiful. Loads of walks. We haven't been on them yet, but just check it all out. There's a little bike park across the road. Gorgeous. And with this weather, beautiful.
Lovely.
Wales are playing today.
Yeah.
Last of the 6 Nation games against Italy. And, well, 3 games on today. Last game 8 o'clock when France are beating England, hopefully.
And because we haven't had such nice weather for, well, since last year really, we usually go down to the pub. But I think that we'll most probably...
We'll watch a game here, I think.
Watch a game here because it's just so beautiful.
Have a few beers and maybe go downtown later this evening. There's nothing planned. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
See how drunk Rian gets.
But on the third disaster, well, it wasn't a disaster because they've all been solved in the end. When was the getting stuck? When was getting here? And the other one was I didn't have any summer wear. As you can see, it's glorious. Got jumpers, got my Welsh t-shirt, which is great. It's appropriate for today anyway.
I had to tell her, she came out the van, oh, sun's out, and she had a bloody bra and a thong on. I said, get some clothes on, woman, you'll frighten the kids away.
So I had a whole pair of jeans in the van, and I thought I got the scissors out. Watch my little clip. I didn't bring any shorts with me, so what am I going to do? Cut my old jeans. I'll do the trick.
Tomorrow, 6 until 10 to start
Job's
Sunday.
a good end.
And whatever the plan is today, have a really good one. Enjoy the LACDC. And he's got the keys.
Oh dear God. Right. I know what that means though. Shopping when we get home for new jeans.
No,
excuse.
I've got plenty of shorts and stuff at home, but because we were selling the van,
yeah,
we were thinking of selling the van.
Yeah, but you wore them last
year,
love. You wearing those? Will they fit you this year?
You're a cheeky toad, I tell you.
Just
So we're going to stay here. We're going to show you a little bit about the showers and around the site, and
We've got friends up here on the rally, so we'll probably catch up with those for the match, have a few jars.
yeah. Oh, I've got to give a thank you as well, a shout out to Roger and Susan. They're next door.
Oh, and in the motorhome next door from the Rhondda, they are lovely.
Yeah.
As I say, we were stuck yesterday, and I thought, right, no problem. Went to get the grip mats out.
Didn't have
No
them.
sign of them. And then Rian says, I know where they are. Oh, tidy, fetch them then. They're up the attic. So
yeah, they helped us out of a little sticky spot yesterday.
Yeah.
So, because when the legs went up then, when the wheels went up, we could put them underneath, drop down, and came out no problem. Had to do it twice, but yeah. So a big thank you to you too.
yes, thanks very much.
It was Roger.
You can clean them off yourself.
Oh, you washed them down yesterday. Oh, we also use.
Wash them down with our new jet wash.
Yeah.
Thanks to the little review that Mark from the Northerners on tour did at the NEC.
Yeah.
I thought that looks really good. And a little 20-volt jet washer, basically. It's not as powerful as a normal jet wash, but it's ideal for the motorhome.
Yeah, for going away, it's
Yeah.
compact.
And my friend in work, I mentioned it to him, he said, I've got one in the van, I don't use it. So I bought that off him. So saved a few bob there, everybody's happy.
Yeah, brilliant.
Cheers, Guy.
So we'll have a little look now at the showers
Yes.
and around the site. It looks as though it's nice enough for a little bit of drones footage.
Yeah, it's a little bit windy. It's nice here because we're secluded, but when you look up at the trees, they are blowing a bit. But we'll see. No hassle. It's supposed to be like this tomorrow as well. Hope so.
So we'll see you now in a minute. Round, yeah, that's Roger and Sue next door. So there's quite a few here on the site, which is brilliant. So just a little walk down and got the showers. So that's the entrance through, and the showers are here. Got a little code for it. Got disability access as well, which is great. Yeah, lovely site. Do you mind if I go? Okay, so there's a lady in there, so I'm going to do the gents because they very nicely agreed for me to come in here because there's nobody in here as they are cleaning. So you see, really clean here, big showers. And what I like about the showers is that you can control the temperature. So there's 3 showers in the men's, and the sinks, and there's a hairdryer here as well. So it's very similar for the ladies. And you've got washing. Is that a tumble dryer or washing machine?
Tumble dryer.
Tumble dryer and washing machine.
Yeah.
Washing machine in there, and 2 sinks for washing dishes as well. So thanks very much.
It's okay.
So you're recording here, and you've also got washing facilities outside, which is brilliant. Park is lovely, really nice. Rubbish there, and the Elson Point, which is just there. again, very clean and beautiful views of the valley. First time in 2022, and I thought I'd try out my new Safari Chef 2, because we did have the bigger one, but I found it difficult to get it washed and cleaned because the sink is too small in the van, so we'll have a go at this one. Sausage Bay. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video at Dare Valley Country Park. The weather's been absolutely fantastic. Please stay tuned for our next vlog, which will be part 2 of up in Dare Valley, where we go and watch the rugby with Italy. So that's part 2 at Aberdare Rugby Club. So please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. It is free. And drop us a comment down below as well. That would be brilliant. So we'll see you now in a minute.
Oh, what's occurring?